Trying to get those guys to stay and eat and these guys to come and eat. Hi, Marty. Always so vocal. Marty is such a mess. Wants everyone's food bowl and everyone's bed and just doesn't share well. Not super mean about it, but pushy. Very pushy. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
You watering for me?
I'm watering down here in the front. I've got watered two little plants down at the bridge and the tree.
Thank you.
And I'm watering the ferns across the front. They're looking like they're springing right back.
Yep, I agree. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetie.
The ENT called and they want me there at 10:45 instead of 11:15. I thought that was mighty nice of them.
Well,
Not.
That'll work out. You just won't get to stop this morning.
Right, I can get there, but for help somebody else's convenience, I guess.
Well, we get home quicker.
It's 10 a.m. I'm in Ruby. I'm headed up to Cary, sort of near Whole Foods, for the appointment with the ENT, ear, nose, and throat doctor. And the cardiologist office called this morning and made an appointment tomorrow afternoon at 2. Which kind of triggered me feeling pretty anxious. You know, if you got to go see a cardiologist, I guess that just kind of made me nervous. But I'm doing okay this morning. Gonna try to, Dawn said, listen to some music in the car and just enjoy my ride like I always do and play some pogo and stay calm. Yeah, stay calm. I feel they're gonna clear me for exercise and tell me I need to exercise more. I figure that's what they're gonna do. And because I haven't found anything, and I really, in my heart, don't feel like they're going to find anything tomorrow. Not anything that's doom and gloom anyway. So, anyway, hopefully it won't rain. It's not really supposed to rain until this afternoon, but there's a small chance it might rain before then. I really don't want to be wherever that small chance is since Ruby is looking so good today. Well, it is clouding up out here a good bit. I'm on time to get there at 10:40. My appointment's at 10:45. Hopefully I won't have too much trouble parking. You know, I'm just one of those people, no matter how much I plan and try to leave on time and a lot extra time and everything, it just seems to evaporate for me. Although I'm not normally late. They just keep you waiting at the doctor's office anyway, right? Just checking out the I-540 construction over here, coming at it from a different direction. Usually coming home from Whole Foods, I come this way, but obviously in the other direction. Well, the sun's out here. That's actually good, and I didn't have any problems parking in this odd parking lot, so that's also good. Well, I survived my doctor's appointment. I really don't mean to be so dramatic about it, but all doctors are scary at this point. And he agrees that the mucus retention cyst, which is actually almost center, is stable and hasn't changed in 5 years, and he doesn't think it's causing any problem, and he's a surgeon and he'd be glad to remove it, but he doesn't think we need to do anything about it. And he also doesn't think it's causing any of the other symptoms I'm having. So he told me I can go back on my Allegra for as long as I want. He says people sometimes feel after they take it for a long time that it doesn't help as good, so they switch to Zyrtec or Claritin, and they kind of go in this round robin of stuff. I always had the best luck with Allegra. I know some people that love one of the other ones. He offered me allergy testing, but I already know from prior allergy tests, it's been over 15 years, but I'm allergic to ragweed and grass. And I'm obviously allergic to cats. So yeah, you have to stop, well, you have to stop all your allergy meds in order to do the skin prick test again. And that would mean the eye drops that I'm putting in my eyes, the allergy eye drops. And I'm not very keen on stopping them, even though I've stopped the Allegra. So I'm probably not going to do that. That would sign me up for 3 to 5 years of tablets or pill or drops. They don't really do the shots anymore, so that you can do it at home and don't have to come into the office. But yeah, so I guess no action here unless I decide I really want to follow up with the allergy stuff, which I will talk to Dawn about. But probably just start taking my Allegra again and be happier and sneeze a little less, even if I'm not stopping sneezing. And I think I said, but if I didn't, the cardiologist appointment is now tomorrow at 2, and Dawn's going to go with me to that. So just try to enjoy the rest of my day today. I think I'm probably going to look at the radar and then head over to Whole Foods and maybe pick up something for dinner or pick up a few things. Well, it's certainly getting hot out here. I put climate on to 80. Try not to get into too much trouble here in Whole Foods. I do still need to stop by the Red Box in Fuquay. We were watching The Marksman with Liam Neeson last night. We didn't enjoy it quite as much as the one we watched the night before, but it was enjoyable. Certainly worth the Red Box cost. I want to look for Gerard Butler in Greenland tonight. My kind of movie. It's survival, kind of a end of the world due to some, I forget what it is, volcano. Actually, I think it's a comet in this movie. My kind of thing. It's a day at the beach today. It looks like more stuff than it is. There's 4 bags plus one's got a cosmetic thing in it and some bottles. I didn't have as much of my apple cider as I had hoped. And there's a Model 3. Alright, I've got the desired movie reserved at Kiosk B at the Walmart in Fuquay, so I can take the one red box back and pick up the next red box. It's 91, so today is one of those days where going inside with climate on, let's make it 75, is very helpful. Even though I don't plan to be down there very long, I'm sure it'll end up being 10 minutes. And you know, I got cold stuff in the back. I got meat and butter and stuff, sour cream.
Hey there, pretty girl.
Hey there, Donnie.
Yeah, glad you're home.
Yep, I'm here. I got some groceries.
Okay.
Not too many, but you can help. Thank you.
Anytime, be glad to.
Don helped me get everything put away, and he's back at it. You got a 2:30 call?
Got a 2:30 call.
Yeah, that's coming up here in a little bit. Don was just telling me if he runs tonight, it'll be after 7, because it's just too hot to think about running right now.
Yep.
Out of one frying pan into the other.
It just doesn't stop. There's not enough hours in the day. I don't know how people work for a living. It really sucks.
Well, all the rain went east.
Aw.
Garner, Willow Spring, downtown Raleigh poured. Us, not a drop.
Yeah.
Very disappointing considering Ruby was tucked into the garage nice and clean and safe, and then we still didn't get any rain.
Didn't get no rain. I'm sorry.
But my project's coming good. I still have to put on the flat pieces up top, but I've got everything held in place. I am missing a 1x4 here that's on the way, and there are 3 or 4 of these pieces that I need to order in the right color. I got placeholders in. And it did not tell me to put one of these here. Obviously, I need to put one of those, though. I'll fix that here in just a second. But I am very pleased with it. Dawn pointed out that my bathroom has a shower rod and a shower head. So you can see on the other side of it that it's the bathroom. I didn't quite visualize that until he pointed it out. Obviously, bedroom, balcony, I'm going to say closet, stairwell, chest of drawers kind of thing is over here. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's coming along good. These little wings in here are just okay. Just okay, the little nightstands next to the bed.